Hello, in this video, we will give you instructions on how to use Binance Pay with a complete guide to seamless crypto payments. First of all, you need to have an account at Binance. You can click on the registration link in the description box to get a welcome reward from Binance. Remember to click on the link in the description box to get a welcome reward up to $1,000 from Binance when you create a new account. Also, you can refer to our tutorial video with step-by-step registration guide in the description box. I posted registration link with exclusive offer as well as the video link there. After creating an account at Binance, you use your smartphone to download this Binance app. Then you log in your account with this Binance app on your smartphone. You will see this interface. To use Binance Pay, you click on Wallet. Then you click on Funding here. Next, you click on Pay. Then you will see this Pay interface. To use Binance Pay to send crypto to other Binance users, you click on Send here. Then you can send crypto to other Binance users via email, phone, or Binance ID. I will send crypto to other Binance users by Binance ID. Click on Binance ID here. Next, you enter the Binance IDs of receiver into the session. For example, this is the Binance ID of receivers that I want to send crypto to. Next, click Continue. Next, you click on this icon to select the receiver's currency. For example, I choose USDT. Then you enter the amount of USDT that you want to send. For example, I enter 1 here. You can click on Add Note here to add note if you want. Next, you click Continue. Then you will see a confirm payment dialog box here with the receiver's information, the amount, the wallet, and the currency you choose to send crypto. After reading this information carefully, you click on Confirm button here. Next, you verify the transaction with the verify method that you set up before. I verify it with Face ID. After you complete the verification, the payment is successful. Then you will see this notification with the receiver's information, order ID, payment method, and the amount. You can take a screenshot of this payment successful notification, then send it to the receiver to inform that the payment is successful. Another way to use Binance Pay is sending crypto with QR code. To do this, you click on Wallets here. Click on Funding. Then you click on Pay. Next, you click on this icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then scan the provided QR code. Then you enter the amount of crypto you want to send here. For example, I enter 1. Then click Continue. Similarly, you will see a confirm payment dialog box with the receiver's information, the amount, the wallet, and currency that you choose. After reading this information carefully, you click Confirm button. Then you need to complete the verification here with the verification method you set up before. I use Face ID verification. After completing the verification, the payment is successful, then you will get a notification here with the receiver's information, order ID, payment method, and the amount. You can send the screenshot of this notification or the order ID to the receivers to inform that the payment is successful. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to use Binance Pay with a complete guide to seamless crypto payments. You can subscribe our channel to get notifications of new useful videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.